You want to enter government service? You need to hear this. One of the most effective ways to become a permanent employee in the government is to start as a job order or contract of service staff. Kagaya ko, I started as a job order staff in January 2016 and 6 months after ay naging permanent employee ako. Here's how this works. If a plantilla position opens, may advantage yung mga job order staff, especially if they performed well. Why? Because while you are a JO, you are already proving yourself. Your work ethic, your attitude, your skills, and your willingness to learn. In my case, I simply did my best. Whatever they assign me, lagi kong ginagawa or pinagbubuti ko yung trabaho ko. Of course, I also stayed open to feedback. Kasi yung mga senior staff, they know more. Mas marami na silang alam about the organization, about the processes. So, if you listen to them, you will learn more. So, yun na nga, naipakita mo yung best mo and kung paano ka mag-perform ng trabaho. Siyempre, nakikita yun ng management, which makes you a strong candidate for the position that opened. But let's be clear, some positions are still filled by external applicants. So, if you want to enter government service, consider this strategy.